There is a chance we cool down a little bit next week. Right now, though, we are muggy, mild, and 81. 94 by 11 a.m. Lots of sunshine today. Not really tracking much in the way of a shower like we got lucky yesterday. Sinton and areas west of Corpus Christi got in on some rain. It was a beautiful looking storm. Some stronger winds also accompanied that, so there might have been a little bit of minor damage, but overall, we're not going to see that today. Here's a look at your watches and warnings. Yes, we do still have a heat advisory. National Weather Service just added this at the top of the 5 o'clock hour. So that's going to be for Refugio, Aransas, San Patricio, George West, or Live Oak rather, Jim Wells, Nueces, and Claiborne County, all under that heat advisory. And so for Corpus Christi, around 2 p.m., we're going to see our temperature around 102 degrees. That heat index value 115. So it is going to be another very hot day out there. Still a little humid, but a lot of sunshine. So don't forget the sunscreen. Don't forget the water. We're still in the same repetitive pattern, right? But there is change. So we're staying with our heat index values around 115, cooling off a little bit over the weekend. Saturday looks like our coolest day until we get to next week. So Tuesday and Wednesday, we're going to see our rain chances starting to go up with the chance for that tropical rain. Some tropical moisture making its way in. There is a chance for some potential tropical development, and here's why. But first, let's talk about the heat, right? So this high pressure heat dome going to slide right over kind of Oklahoma and Kansas. That's still going to keep Texas rather hot, especially North Texas. You're going to be very dry and very hot up to the north. Our temperature in Corpus Christi still around 100. We are going to start to see a little bit more humidity, a little bit more mid to upper level moisture come in with that easterly flow. So I think our temperature will stay slightly cooler with a little bit more moisture, but it's still going to feel rather hot outside. It's that cold front that's going to stall out and interact with a tropical wave. You really notice it trying to develop by Sunday. Saturday, Sunday, that's when models will really start to get a hang of this thing as the wave actually starts to develop and there's something for the model to latch onto and give it a direction of where it's going to go. Right now, we know it's going to ride the edge of this high, however the high pressure sets up. So that's going to take it west. But there is a trend that the high pressure kind of tilts a little bit. That would start to take it a little bit more north, and we may not see as much rain in Corpus Christi if this scenario plays out. However, there's still several scenarios at play. And so what we do know is where the high sets up, there'll be little to no rain. But this system could take more rain to the panhandle, or it could take more rain across South Texas. That's still a little bit of a question mark. We've got the far northern track that would take it across southern Louisiana and into east and north Texas. And then we've got the far southern track that would take it toward Brownsville and give us some rain, but a better chance of rain would be south of Corpus Christi in this scenario. To get the most rain for the coastal bend, we really want the center of that low or that wave to really pass kind of right near Claiborne County. That would give us the most rain across the region as we are looking ahead to the 20th through 23rd. So overall in your 7-day forecast, here's what you need to know. It's still hot and we do have a chance for rain next week. Thunderstorms, even with that system passing to the north, especially if it doesn't tighten up and develop into a tropical depression or storm, we still have a chance for a decent amount of that moisture to make it down here as well.